Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a poll on Telegram. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Telegram app on your device and log in. In order to create a poll, you need friends to interact with. So select a group chat or create a new group chat. Once you are on the group chat, tap the attachment icon at the bottom and tap poll. You can now create a poll. Enter a question to ask. And add the possible answers as options. You can add up to 10 options for a question. Once you do that, adjust the settings. There are 3 setting modes: anonymous voting, multiple answers, and quiz mode. Select the one you prefer. When done, tap Create. So that's how you create a poll on Telegram. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.